Ever feel like the market is personally out to get you? Like the exact second you enter a trade, it hits your stop loss and reverses. Light chuckle, yeah. Don't worry, we all been there. The truth is big institutions love trapping retail traders. Check out this chart. See this nice trend line forming at the bottom. Most everyday traders see this, jump into a buy trade, and place their stop loss right below it. And what happens next? The market suddenly dives, clears out all those stop losses and grabs all that cash. In trading, we call this a liquidity sweep. But here is where it gets interesting. Right after wiping everyone out, the market shoots straight up and breaks the previous high. This is called the CHO or change of character. It's basically the market telling us, hey, the trend just flipped. Next, it creates this fake B movement to trick people into FOMO, buying at the very top. But because it moved up way too fast, it leaves behind an empty gap called a huge imbalance. Now the rule of the market is it always comes back to fill its gaps. And that's exactly what we wait for. The moment the market drops back down to fill that imbalance, right there is our sniper entry for a sell. As the price drops, you secure half your profit at the structure partial and ride the rest down to your take profit target. Pretty clean, right? If you want to learn how to spot smart money setups like this without all the confusing jargon, hit that follow button. Catch you in the next one.